Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is a joyful day. The irrigation system is running. I finished planting my lilies yesterday. So the ones without the straw covering are the fresh plantings. And you can see that the clay is already contracted and there are big cracks in the soil. And this is after 40 minutes of irrigation. So I'm going to let irrigation run for 2 more hours, maybe 1.5 to 2 hours, and then I will turn off and hopefully I will be able to cover the rest of the bed with straw. Most of my seedlings are okay, they needed some water so they get it now, and also my tulips are also growing nicely in the research. So I would like to infect them with a virus and then I can match the newly infected plant's virus genome with the old one, and so I can prove that the infection was real and the virus can infect this tulip. So thank you very much for your attention. See you next time. Goodbye.